Hey y'all, this is Natalie Haas, and I just wanted to show off this new carbon fiber 3D printed cello from Forte3D, which was just shipped to me a few months ago, and I've been trying it out and very excited about the sounds this thing is able to produce. So I just wanted to give you a little sample. So there you have a little taste of it. I think it's pretty cool that unlike many other carbon fiber instruments, they've actually been able to kind of deal with the wolf problem. Many of the other carbon fiber cellos that I've tried have had multiple wolves, and this one, as far as I can tell, doesn't have any, which is kind of a miracle. As you can tell, hopefully, it sounds pretty even across the register. And I think it's very affordable compared to many other ones that are out there on the market. So check them out, and I'm enjoying getting to know this guy, and I hope you will too.